Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Stocks free video for November 11th, 2016. 11/11, actually Singles Day with Alibaba tomorrow, or actually tonight. Right now, it's about 24 minutes before the close. I'm telling you right now, this is one of those most bizarre markets I've seen in a long time in here. You go in here and you go to the futures, and this is something I want you to see in here that I'm absolutely fascinated. You have the ES is up 575. NASDAQ down 73. All this stuff coming to roost about infrastructure program, good for the economy. That's why you're seeing the bonds get trashed. That's why you're seeing copper go crazy. On the other hand, you know that Trump doesn't like Amazon, wants to get rid of any kind of Chinese kind of factories that Apple uses, so the tech-heavy NASDAQ has gotten hit in here. Russell, which is composed of the biotechs, the growth stocks, not the dividend stocks, the stocks that stand to benefit the most in a high-growth environment, is up 22. Industrials, led by the likes again of the Caterpillars, United Technologies, up 240. Transport's up 167. You have the gold down 18, getting hit in here. Crude oil down 72 cents. In fact, I just want you to see that gold that everybody loved at 1310, and we were on Simpler Stocks on the premium side saying, why on earth do you want to buy it at resistance? Now, if I was really, traded the night of the election, you short it up in resistance when it gets back under it. But I didn't touch it. It's now all the way at the lows of this. The moral of the story, you don't buy. Two reasons. Number one, you don't buy gold when it's overbought at resistance. Number two is when the gold stocks look so poor on the chart, when the GDX looks this bad right here and didn't even have any sign of a bounce, usually GDX leads gold. Do not buy the futures if the stocks don't pan out. So just keep that in mind. I watch that all the time. Getting back to it in here, like I said, crude oil down 75. The whole idea about a stronger economy, very interesting to have crude down, especially, just very interesting. You have the advanced decline has been negative all day, down, at the most. When the ESs were up 13, there was about 100 extra advancers and decliners. That's the turmoil going on within the market. That you have these incredibly strong sectors and then some incredibly weak. But in the net, more stocks are down than up. In fact, over 2 days, there are more stocks down than up. This is a very narrow rally. Be real careful. When you have bonds down, the NASDAQ down, and you have the advanced decline this poor, I'm telling you, I've been doing it 34 years. That's a recipe for disaster in there. You have the VIX today up 67, UVXY holding its own in here, all because of the nervousness over the NASDAQ. You have the DE Dow, the German DAX, down about 0.3%. DJ China up about 1% in here, and TLT, like I said, down 152. So where does this get us with everything? I put up the volume here because we were showing some stocks like Goldman Sachs earlier on the live chat. When you saw the bottom in Goldman Sachs down here, and I'm going to take off the futures on the left. When you saw the bottom in Goldman Sachs down here, what did you see? A big old volume spike. Look at the right now. I have more people ask, should they buy Goldman Sachs here? Look at the volume spike. If I made this upside down, you would think this is a capitulation bottom. This is not the place to be buying it. Just like here, it looks like a doji at the absolute top. This is Goldman Sachs upside down. I'm just showing you there's a lot of accidents to be happening in this market. Just wanted to make that clear. So just to let you know, a lot of the stocks that we've been talking about have made a lot of people a lot of money. When you go into Simpler Stocks, and we still have this the 7-day, 30-day trial, you have a live chat from me from 9 to 10 in the morning. Let me just tell you, We were showing some trades in some preferred stocks that were very, unloved, that a lot of our subscribers made 10% today in. It's posted in the index and stock trades and chart ideas. I send out email alerts every morning. Now, when you get your, if you become a subscriber, you get 9 to 10 in the morning, you get a live chat with me. You got a premium video with specific stock ideas. Email alerts. Let me tell you how these work. I send out at least 6 stock ideas a day, 6 index and chart ideas. We have a lot of people that only trade futures, and they subscribe because they love our analysis of the index and futures. And unusual option activity, when I see it, I'll post it. I don't post 100 a day. I just post ones you can make money on. To give you an idea, though, about the stock trades and chart ideas, 3 days ago, before the election, I posted 50 biotechs to buy. You sort of know what the biotechs did. A lot of people emailed me and said I paid for their subscription for 5 years. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later.